This tech tip looks at profile lines, an inspection tool to compare surfaces, for example, design to drone topo.
Now we're going to look at another inspection tool. So here I've got, again, the ortho up. Now, a lot of times this is overlooked, but look at up here under profile. So we can draw profile lines depending on, which surfaces we want to compare. So in this case, I've already got a profile line in. If I wanted to add one in, I just click on profile entry and I can draw my profile line anywhere across the site. Then I just click, I can click back and forth from that profile to view it. Well, now I'm comparing design against drone topo. If I didn't want to see the existing, I could just turn that off. So I can see, obviously there's my trench. So it's a good little tool to validate and inspect your different surfaces as well, Juan. So I know you use that a lot in highway, which, you're our expert in. So it also comes in handy in regular site work jobs. So make sure you check that out.